The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. And in today's video, we are going to be talking more about how to decorate for Christmas on a budget. In my last video, I did a decorate my classic traditional nostalgic Christmas tree with me, and I love how it turned out. So pretty. So I need to finish out the bottom, and I thought it would be really fun to stage it like Christmas morning, and there were like toys underneath it. So I think I'm going to go to the Goodwill and look for some just inexpensive toys that I can put underneath the tree. But in the meantime, I went and picked up this really cute little doggy from Kirkland's. Remember I told you about him? He is the dupe to the one from Pottery Barn, and he is so cute. I love his little string of Christmas lights. I got him when he was 25% off. Normally, he won't stand up. Normally he's $24.99, but this weekend there was 25% off. So I picked him up for $18 and change, let's just say $20. And I just love how he looks under here. So we're gonna get him some little friends to go underneath the tree, but this is how it's looking. Now, I did decide to change up the space, and I did all of this off camera, and I'm not done, but I just wanted to share with you a little bit what I have done here. So previously, I had two other pieces of wall art here, and I thought, you know what? I want to make this a fun, festive, whimsical room for Christmas, and those just didn't work. So I went to Etsy and I bought these two, or I bought the print, and I went to Walgreens and had it printed out. And this is 24 by 36. Two of these in this size would normally be $30 a piece, but right now Walgreens has a coupon for 60% off, so I was able to get both of these prints for $27. And again, using what we have, I'm just using generic poster frames that I already had that used to be in my loft. And yeah, I love the way it looks. I'm sorry about the glare. Always this time of day, you get like a glare coming in. And then also, you see those glass canisters over there. That's bringing in those prisms. That's what you're seeing. So sorry about that. But I love the way this looks. And to tie in with the tree, I wanted to do something just really fun and festive over here as well. So I have layered two garlands, a really cheap one that you can see that's frosted back there, and then on top I added the garland that I picked up from Walmart. It was $16.88, and then I just added in some little sprigs that came from Hobby Lobby last year to fill out the garland to make it a lot more full. I also added these green poinsettias. You guys know I'm using green this year, a hunter green, but I had these and I thought, you know, use what you have. And I picked these up on clearance from Michael's many years ago. So I thought these would be perfect. These trees came from Target several years ago. They were $10 a piece. And I have just elevated them on these pedestals and these candlestick holders to create little pedestals for them to give them some height. The silver one also came from Target. I want to say they were also $10, but they look so cute. I love this little vignette. This deer head came from Walmart. It was $17, I think $16.88. And I thought with the trees and the forest, the little deer would tie in here perfectly. So I have him elevated because he was not as tall as I was hoping he would be. So I have him elevated on a stack of books that you cannot see because it's hidden by the greenery. This is a wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby several years ago, and I just stuck that around his head. And then I used the ribbon that we got from Walmart. It's from the My Texas House line, and just created a bow to frame out his head. And I love the way it looks now. All right, so to tie in this area with the tree, I did add in these balls, the green ones. Don't mind my finger, I cut it working on the artwork, but these green and the red to tie in with the tree to make it cohesive. And I love how everything is coming together. And then to make it even more whimsical, I moved the Santa on this side and I added a reindeer that I got from Pier 1 many years ago. And yeah, I think he's so cute. He's got a little frosted snow on his head, and he ties in well with the packages that Santa has. And because Santa is gold, I wanted to add in that gold ribbon just to make everything cohesive and really nice. So again, we're gonna go to the thrift store and get some cheap toys to put underneath the tree. So it's like your kids came down Christmas morning. They're so excited to see what's underneath the tree. So I'm very excited to finish out that look. I'm very excited to finish out this area as well. But I did want to give you guys just a little hint, a little sneak peek of what I was doing. So don't be afraid to take out things that you have in your everyday decor to put up something different for Christmas. Like I said, these were very inexpensive. With the 60% off, both of them were $27. You guys know, or maybe you don't, but I'm a couponer and I coupon at Walgreens, and because of that, I have Walgreens cash. So I paid $20 in Walgreens cash and only spent $7 out of pocket for these two prints. And I love how it looks. So nice. And I think everything's coming along nicely. So in my next video, we will be finishing out the scene. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you liking what you are seeing so far? I am, and I hope you are as well. I hope today's video has inspired you to think outside the box, use what you have, take things out that you use in your everyday decor, bring in something different. Again, these were very inexpensive, but it gives a high-end look, and I am loving it. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. So guys, I hope today's video has inspired you that you can decorate your home for Christmas on a budget. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And I don't know if I told you, but this Santa came from Pop Shop, and he was only $50. Santas of this size from other stores will cost you at least $100. And yeah, we got ours for just $50. You might be able to get him at Hobby Lobby for 50% off. I don't know. but I'm sure it wouldn't be $50. Hobby Lobby's a little bit expensive, but I thought he was so cute. But again, everything is very budget friendly, and I think it's given us a high-end look. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, I wanted to show you these. I showed these on Instagram. I was shopping at Home Goods over the weekend, and I saw these two first, and they are so cute. Look at their little faces. You guys know I just had 2 twin girls, 2 new little grandbabies, and I thought those were perfect. And then I have 2 other granddaughters, so I picked up the other 2. They didn't have any more brown ones, so I did get 2 of the lighter ones. So these are my little granddaughters, and then my grandsons are the little deer boys. I can't talk, but I think these are so cute. They were $14.99 each at Home Goods. Together they were a bit of change, but you know, if you don't have as many grandchildren as I do, it won't cost you as much. But again, a very budget friendly little option, and I thought these would be cute to have in here as well. Again, we're going for a whimsical traditional Christmas in here, and I am loving how things are coming together. So again, if you like what you have seen, please consider hitting the subscribe button, tap the notification bell down below, and become a member of the iStyle family. Let me know what you think of our room so far. I am loving it. And let me just give you a sneak peek. We're going to be working on this area too. And I hung the Santa, and he's so cute. So we're going to be working on the mantle. We're going to make it big and bold to tie in with everything over here. Guys, I am so excited. So I hope you are as well. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.